In this video, I will show you how to create a zip file in Laptop. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you're going to want to do is find the files that you want to make into a zipped folder. In this example, I've got one image here and I've got a PDF document. However, you can add different documents, images or videos. It's completely up to you what you want to put into your zipped folder. Now, to actually create this, all you need to do is highlight all your documents. So if you hold down Control on your keyboard to select multiple files, and once you select them, right click, and what you want to do is come down and click on to show more options. On this next menu, you should see an option called Send To. Hover over this to bring up more options, and you're going to see an option for a compressed zipped folder. So give that a click, and what that's going to do is create a folder, as you can see like this on your desktop. You can call this whatever you want, so I'm just going to call this one test zip. And as you can see, when we click to go into the folder, you can see my files are in here, all good to go. Of course, to extract this and unzip the folder, all you need to do is right click onto the folder itself, click onto extract all, and you can leave it set to the same location and then click onto extract. What that's going to do is extract the folder, as you can see down here. So that is how to create a zip file in your laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.